This chapter talks about audio outputs. VIDA devices have 4 amplified outputs, 2 balanced line level auxiliary outputs, and 4 Dante transmitters. You will find the configuration of the analog ones in the I/O setup menu under the Amplified and Auxiliary Outputs tab. You will be able there to label them, set the range that the users can adjust, configure outputs as stereo or mono, and change the polarity and color of the output throughout the web application. There are 2 parameters that require further explanation. One is the gain. We will be able to adjust it per amplifier module if VersaPower is not activated. The other one is the high-pass filter, that it can be disabled if the output is in low impedance mode, but it's always active in high impedance mode in order not to saturate the transformers.